What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm reviewing the Weber Medical Light Box. This is it has Spectra attachments for different light therapies that are laser based to get into your orifices. And by orifices, I mean into your nose, into your mouth, and into your ears. And there's also a cool little Spectra pad that I'll share with you in this video as well. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how this unit works, all the attachments, what they do, their benefits, and which attachments I like the least and which attachments I like the most. And I'll also share with you the Endolight band, which I have from Weber Medical or Weber Laser as well. So with that being said, the cool thing about this unit is that there are two ports at the top, and those ports allow you to do two orifice light therapies at any given time, two light therapies that are utilized in different pathways. And then it has a Android charging port at the top there. So it's very simple interface. It has three buttons. You push the power button in the middle, it turns it on. And when it turns on, you'll see, it's kind of hard to see, but it says 5 minutes. You hit T for time. It goes to 5, 10, 15, all the way up to 55 minutes and then 60 minutes. So it goes up to an hour, and then you click it again and it resets to 5. So it has 5-minute increments all the way up to 60 minutes. And then when you are ready to go, you just hit P, which is play, I believe. I don't know what the P means. This is a German company, so it could mean something. I don't know what it means. But anyways, that's how you start it. So you click that, and then as you see here, you have your blue light therapy, which this is blue and UV, by the way, and then red light. And these are quite literally lasers. So you can see, for example, that light there, and you just put it in your nostrils like that. So what I'll do with the blue one, because it's blue and UV, is I'll alternate the blue and UV into the left and right nostril. And then obviously you don't have two noses, but if you have a partner, you can stick this up their nose, or they can stick up their nose for themselves. That would be more appropriate. And you can both do nasal light therapy, like sitting on the couch next to each other, watching a movie or TV show. What also is nice is that you can attach the different attachments at any given time. I personally really like doing the ear and nose attachment at the same time. So with the ear, it's a red attachment. So you're getting that red light, which is a 650 nanometer spectrum wavelength, by the way, for your nose and your ears at the same time. So now I'm doing blue, but you're getting, with the blue, you're getting 450 nanometer spectrum. So you could just put it in different places. One downside is that there's a lot of cords going on. So I usually do it while I'm sitting down and watching a show or a podcast, or if I'm like working on my computer. The challenge there is when I'm working on my computer, my hands sometimes get tangled when I'm going to type or using the mouse. So I really like this device. I really like that you can get that strong laser, very targeted, research-backed nanometer spectrum wavelengths of red, green, blue, and yellow light through this little light box. It's very portable. And what also is nice is, so I'll show you the other attachments now. They have the attachment this is the viral kit attachment. So this attachment is for your mouth and for oral health. So you literally do like this and hold it. You will salivate on this. So what's nice about it though is the plastic. It's like there's no, as far as I can see, there's no way for your saliva to ruin the light therapy device. But this is great. What I really like about this, I had a cool experience with this. I'll share with you. I put this in my mouth the other day, and I put it in there for like 10-15 minutes, and then I could smell this like bad like bacteria smell. So it was definitely killing something, and that's what the blue UV light does, by the way. It kills germs, bacteria, pathogens, things like that. So this is nice, and I do believe, and I haven't tried it yet, but blue light can also be used to whiten teeth, and that is also something that is probably worth testing. If you put something on your teeth and then apply that blue light to it, you could probably get some sort of benefit there. This is their Spectra pad. The Spectra pad, what's really cool about this is all those attachments are around $100. The cool thing about this is $125, and you're getting green, blue, yellow, and red lasers. The red is 650 nanometers, the green is 532 nanometers, the blue is 450 nanometers, and the yellow is 589 nanometers wavelength. And they're in these like copper diodes, and they're very strong lasers. I mean, I don't know if you can kind of see it on the skin there, but they definitely are great. And I like that it's a slightly rounded pad. So you can put that on your arm, on your arms, your legs, your hip, your stomach, your chest. I mean, you can literally apply it anywhere. So I really like that. This Spectra pad is probably my favorite attachment. And the reason for that is, well, I like the nasal and the ears too, but this is probably my favorite because as far as you're getting more light therapies and it covers more surface area and you can put it anywhere. So it's got more versatility. You're getting a more diverse range of light therapies, which is really valuable. By the way, red spectrum light benefits your skin and your muscles. The green benefits your skin pigmentation, restores your sleep, restores your sleep and headaches. That's green. Blue is for mood, energy, and cognitive health. And then yellow 589 is anti-inflammatory, lymph, and circulation. And there's more benefits as well. You can chat GPT the benefits or use some AI tool to see the benefits. But what I like about this unit is that this little light box is fairly cheap and the attachments are fairly cheap and there's strong lasers. So unlike red light therapy, which is great, with this you're getting more of a range and you can apply it specifically to different areas. So say you have some thyroid challenge, put it on your thyroid. Say you got some cardiovascular thing, put it on your heart cardiovascular region. Say a muscle is sore, put it on that muscle. Whatever it may be, move it around. Use it on your face, use it on your forehead, right? Get it in that pineal gland, get that pineal gland popping. So there's a lot of range here with this specific attachment. The oral attachment, this is like very pricey, but I also had a very unique experience with it. But I don't like it because it's kind of clunky and I don't enjoy using it and it's hard to do this with anything else. The ear attachments and the nasal attachments are very easy, very simple. They stay in, you let them go and you're good to go. And then same, with the ear attachments, they're just very easy. You just sort of plug and play like that. So, I love this company, Weber Medical, Weber Laser out of Germany. They do a great job manufacturing exceptional high quality products. They last, they work. This is not cheap Chinese crap. My timer went off, it was over 5 minutes. But they work and they work incredibly well. So this device is cool. I will say, like I said, the cords are kind of a hassle though. So what I'll do is I'll put this in my pocket because it fits nicely. It kind of reminds me of like the first iPod. I'll put that in my pocket and then I'll put the light therapy in my body or on my body and just kind of let it sit. I will say, I also own the Endolight watch from Weber Laser, Weber Medical. I'm wearing it right now. It's got 22 minutes left. This thing I absolutely love. And it's got a ton of benefits. It's got 3 different modes. It's got the yellow, green, blue, and red laser diodes that are going right into your arteries in your wrist, which the blood is then circulated throughout your entire body. And you benefit in a huge way. So I really like their watch as well. And I really like the Spectra pad. But this company is incredible. Highly recommend them. I'll put the link below. Light therapy, really, we're photovoltaic beings. All these photons that we put on our skin get into our body and do things. So this is a really valuable health tool. And the thing I like about health technology is you buy it once and it's an investment forever. So this is something you, your family, your kids, your parents, anyone can use and benefit from, and it's a one-time investment. So this is actually fairly cheap to get just the light box and the different attachments, which is really nice, and it's a nice way to introduce other forms of light therapy beyond red light therapy, including some red light therapy, into your biology to have other benefits. So with that being said, I like them, I recommend them. I'll put their link below along with the discount code. And if you want to see the review of the Endolight Endoband laser watch from Weber Laser, Weber Medical, click this video here. And if you want to get discounts from more than 20 different health and wellness brands, visit healthywildfree.com/shop. And I vetted all of these different health and wellness brands. I'm a certified health and wellness coach. And on that list, you'll just see all these brands and all these different discounts and deals. These are high quality superfoods, supplements, health technology, barefoot minimalist shoes, mini trampolines, red lights, hydrogen water machines, and so much more. So check out that list below. Subscribe to Wellstar Reviews if you want to learn more about health and wellness products. Make sure to follow Healthy While Free for health and education, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.